Hello and welcome to my little office where I do all of my work. This is designed to give you an idea of what your workstation should look like when you are doing your math homework. Hopefully those pre-calculus students out there are ready for another year and you've got your resources ready. The first resource that you're going to need is your notebook. It's just a spiral notebook, but it only has math stuff in it. So don't combine math and then science. Just one notebook for just math. So you know, oh, it's the yellow one, and I color coordinate, so I know yellow this year is going to be my math class. The other thing is when you buy one, you should make sure that it's graph paper on the inside. It's going to be much easier when you're assigned those problems where it asks you to graph something. It'll look a lot nicer. All right, so it doesn't have to be a five subject one. In fact, I don't really recommend that. Just grab one that's one subject, and then you can use that. You probably won't run out of paper. You use it the whole year, and it's all set aside. The other thing that I have is a binder. And the reason I have a binder is because I also give out worksheets. So mine's a little bit bigger. It's a 2-inch binder because I have 4 math classes, 4 pre-calculus classes, that is. And I need, a lot more space. You might only need a 1-inch or 1.5 inch, but it's for all those worksheets. Now, where do those worksheets go? You can get folders. These are actually dividers and they're folders at the same time. So I use these as well in order to organize all the class periods, but you would do this for maybe the chapters. Oftentimes students have a bunch of worksheets and they're mixed up from every chapter. So you're studying for a chapter test and you're like, where's that worksheet? So start off your year with the system. I recommend this system so that you can get off to a good start. In a second, I'm going to talk to you about what your desk should look like. All right, this is my desk. Keep it simple. You don't need the 5 textbooks that I have. You need the 1, or maybe it's an online textbook that you're using. I have 5 because I pull problems from all kinds of different textbooks when I'm testing. The other thing I didn't mention before, grab a calculator. It doesn't have to be the most advanced calculator. It can even just be a scientific one. I have this one. It's a TI-83 Plus. It's been around for a long time. Unfortunately, it's still about $100. So if your school has one, see if you can rent one from them or check one out. But other than that, keep it simple. Have a light source. I know this is obvious stuff, but some people don't do it. If you don't have a desk at home, go to your library and set up a little workspace so you can focus on just doing your math problems. All right, folks, one last thing before I go. There are a lot of YouTube videos out there that are not mine, and you are welcome to use those too. There's a lot of extensive work that people have done, put a lot of time into it. It's fantastic stuff. So look for those other videos too on the subjects that you're studying in class. Figure out what the objective is that you're learning in class, and then go and look for that video. The other thing I would add is I've got a series of videos that I've made for pre-calculus on this channel. And I still value all that work, but there's been updates along the way. So I'm not deleting any old content, but try to find the most recent video first and then work your way down from there. I try to create a playlist so you can see the order. That's going to be the order in which content is presented during this class. So follow along, and I hope you have a good year. Thanks.